siya na maayos. And then, to Tanduay family, thank you so much for trusting me to represent your brand this 2025. And again, my heart is full. I'm very grateful. And
Hello, King. First of all, congratulations to you and to Tanduay Studios.
Thank you.
And to the organizers for this very amazing night. My question is, as a Tanduay calendar girl, what message do you want to give for your fans embracing their own aura or uniqueness?
I think it's more than just being a calendar girl. It's about breaking barriers. It's about embracing my confidence, and it's about celebrating every step of my journey. And I enjoy everything from the start until today. Na-enjoy ko yung journey ko here in show business and also in my personal life. So I celebrate every step. So thank you so much.
Thank you and congratulations.
Thank you.
Thank you, Sir Ricky Garcia. Alam mo, agree ako doon. It's so important to really celebrate